Electrical, Electronics, and Computer Engineering, Dr. Arnold Paglinawan.
Next slide. Next slide. Let's begin with the end in mind. The name type AI student is 2030. Imagine a student born into a world where artificial intelligence is as fundamental as electricity, seamlessly integrated into every aspect of life. These digital natives will be fluent in both human and machine languages, equipped with the skills to create, reason, and collaborate with AI systems. They won't just use AI tools, they'll architect intelligent systems that will solve humanity's greatest challenges, from climate change to healthcare, from space exploration to social equity. These students will lead the transformation. Our mission is clear. Prepare them today for the world they will lead tomorrow. Para lang po dramatic entrance. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a joy to see this room filled with partners, colleagues, and friends who share one vision: to shape a future where human intelligence and artificial intelligence work hand in hand. Today, we're not just launching a program, we are launching a movement we call co-intelligence, where people and AI collaborate to solve the challenges of time. Next slide, please. History tells us that every transformative tool, from calculators to ChatGPT, has faced resistance. But just like calculators became essential to learning, AI will become an indispensable partner in human progress. The question is not if we adapt, but how we adapt. Other questions in ethics is using AI like cutting corners? Does it diminish human capability or enhance it? Next slide, please. So let's have an analogy here. I think you're all familiar here, no? What can we see in the screen right now? I think you're familiar with 2009, right? That's Usain Bolt. Okay? So, for the running paradigm, this is pure human performance. At your left, you can see during the 1912, Donald Lippincott had a world record of 10.6 seconds for the 100-meter dash. 97 years later, Usain Bolt created or recorded 9.58 seconds, the world record for 100-meter dash. So in sprinting, improvement comes through incremental advancement in human conditioning and minor technological enhancement. The fundamental change remains the same. So the question is, how fast can human legs carry us? That's for running. Next slide, please. But for full bolt, now we're using tools here to transform possibility. During 1912, the record was 4.02 meters by Mark Wright. And recently, 2024, by Armand Duplantis, the record was 6.24 meters. If you're following Tokyo sports, I think world just happening right now, Armand Duplantis has beat this record. It's already 6.3 meters just this week. Okay. Yes, next slide, please. So what do I want to elaborate here or show you is that the critical distinction. For running, it's incremental progress from 10.6 to 9.58, which represent a measly 9.6 improvement. Progress comes through marginal gains in human performance optimization. But when we look at full bolting, it's an exponential leap from 4.02 to 6.24 meters, representing a staggering 55% increase in the same time frame. Tools fundamentally transform what's possible while requiring greater skill. So this is one I want to emphasize is that the pole vault demonstrate that the right tools don't diminish human achievement. They expand the boundaries of human potential while demanding higher levels of expertise, training, and judgment. Next slide, please. So AI is our modern pole, which starts with human skills. We have critical thinking, creativity, ethical reasoning, and domain expertise remains essential. We now have the AI tool, which amplifies human capabilities, processes information at scale, and enable us to tackle previously impossible challenges, then enhance and achievement. Together, what we are launching today is co-intelligence. Human judgment and AI capability reach new heights while maintaining human agency and responsibility in the outcome. So just as pole vaulters must master increasingly sophisticated techniques to harness the advanced poles, AI users must develop new literacies, develop ethical frameworks, and critical evaluation skills. Next slide, please. Also, I'll just pass through this, what we call democratization of education. Each technological revolution has expanded access to education and changed what we teach. I'll just go on with this. During the 1450s, printing press was created. So schools must teach reading and writing. In the 1800s, typewriter was created. So schools teach typing and composition. During the 80s, which I think most of us can relate, schools teach word processing and basic programming. In the 2000, mobile devices and Wi-Fi was created. Schools adopt e-learning and mobile. 2000, cloud computing, and now 2024, AI and machine learning. Next slide, please. So now we need to change. So what are the three A's of changes? We need to accept, we need to act, and we need to adapt. Again, accept the shift, act with purpose, and adapt to thrive. So now how do we adapt? Next slide, please. It's the Mapua's AI strategy. So this is the response of Mapua in adapting AI. So we learn about AI. So Mapua University proudly introduces the first and only Bachelor of Science in AI engineering program in the Philippines. The groundbreaking initiative positions us at the forefront of educational innovation, preparing students not just to learn about AI, but to lead its ethical development and deployment. So these are the three pillars: AI, ethics and responsibility, accessibility and inclusiveness, safety and security. Next slide, please. So introducing the BS in AI engineering. It's the first dedicated AI engineering degree in the Philippines. I will repeat, it is the first dedicated AI engineering degree in the Philippines. Designed in reference with the Philippine Skills Framework for Analytics and AI to address the growing demands for AI engineers across sectors. Some core courses that we have are machine learning fundamentals and applications, deep learning architectures, NLPs, AI ethics and responsible development, robotics and computer vision. And some applied AI projects that we're thinking right now are engaged in real world projects addressing Philippine challenges, like disaster response AI system, agricultural yield optimization, healthcare diagnostic for underserved areas, and local language processing tools. Next slide, please. So again, the program structure of our BS AI in engineering. For year one, they will be having foundations, mathematics, principles, introductions to AI, and so on. For year two, they'll be having core AI technologies, deep dive into machine learning, algorithms, neural networks, data structures. For year three, specialization, like computer vision, NLPs, robotics. And for year four, integration. These are year-long projects which is actually in line with our President's T4 framework. Next slide, please. Again, this is the AI engineering journey. This is from curiosity to capability. Next slide. Again, these are just merch materials. Next slide, please. Career opportunities. So graduates of AI engineering program will be positioned at the forefront of fastest growing technology sector. So these are just some examples that we have. They could be AI engineers or ML specialists. They could be data engineers. They could be AI solutions architects, robotics engineers, AI ethics and policy advisor, and other emerging roles. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that AI-related jobs will grow by over 40%, with the median salary starting at $95,000 annually. Our graduates will definitely be positioned to lead this transformation. Actually, I've read an article just yesterday from Fortune.com that AI engineers are very in demand in the United States. Consultants are given $900 per hour. The going rate right now is 400 to 600 USD. So that's how AI engineers are in demand in the global arena. Next slide, please. So the way forward for our students, be the first generation of AI native engineers. For industry, partner with us to shape the AI workforce of tomorrow. For the nation, position the Philippines as a hub for ethical and inclusive AI innovation. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Join us in building tomorrow. Next slide, please. We'd just like to share the first batch of our AI engineering students. This was taken at Mapua University in Tramuros. So if you can see, kawan po silang lahat because they are the first batch or the pioneering batch of AI engineering. Next slide, please. So it will not be AI that will replace your jobs. It will be those who are experts in AI engineering who will enroll now at Mapua University's Yes AI. Magandang hapon po.